Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a while that I've done a sit down video and shown you guys like what all I bought and what all shopping I've done. I've been doing these shoppings like since a few months now, but I haven't shown like one two items. Doesn't make sense like making a whole entire video. These kind of includes like trending pieces and all the things that are so Pinteresty, since we all are so obsessed with all the aesthetics and Pinteresty things. I am the same, and I am clearly obsessed with Pinteresty stuff, and I have ordered just that. So yeah, without any further ado, let's just get started with this video. Also ignore the background noise because it's clearly like in front of me. It's a road and it's a busy day today, so obviously there's going to be a little bit of horns here and there, so you just have to like bear with me today. And let's just get started. So there are multiple things that I've ordered. It's not just clothes, it's not just jewelry, it's not just skincare. It's like an accumulation of all of these stuff. So it is not only online, it is offline as well. So all of these stuff that I have accumulated over a period of time, I'm going to like share it with you guys right now. So there are a few of the things that I ordered recently. There was sale and everything, so I ordered from Nykaa. You can see Nykaa boxes clearly over here. I ordered Meesho, Zudio I've gone to, and a lot of different places that I've been to. Firstly, I'm just going to start with a mini haul of Nykaa. So it's just like 2 to 3 products that I really needed, and they just recently started with the Pink Love sale. So this is obviously not sponsored, so I had to order a few things and I did just that. So I just get started with Nykaa first. So all that I've ordered from Nykaa is a moisturizer. So I wanted a moisturizer since quite a long time, and also I wanted kajal pencil. Now I have seen a lot of videos wherein they do like fake freckles over here, for which you require not a black kajal but a brown kajal. So I got just that first. So this is from Faces of Canada, and I got it for like I think 169 around. I'll mention the prices on the screen. I don't remember all the prices, so I'll be just mentioning the prices on the screen. So this is the brown kajal, and it is from Faces Canada. This is my first time using this brand and I absolutely love it. So this is the brown kajal that I have been talking about, and I think the this quality is like pretty much, the brand is actually very well known, so obviously the quality will be a bit good. So yeah, that's that. As I said earlier, I wanted the things that I actually required. So I was out of this Lumilit cream from Lakme 925, and this is a highlighter and moisturizer which gives kind of a glow to your face, and I'm using just that. If you've seen my previous videos or shorts, you might have seen like how this actually works. This is basically a shimmer kind of a moisturizer, and absolutely love this one. So I had to restock up on this one, and which is why I bought this. And the last one from Nykaa is basically recently, if you've seen my videos or if you've seen my shorts, you might be knowing that I'm clearly obsessed with avocados, and obviously I had to buy. If I have seen something like with avocado in it, I have to buy it, and it's pretty much it. So I also ordered one body milk since I was running out of like a moisturizer and a sunscreen, and this includes both of that. So I have this Color Bar avocado body milk, which is basically with sun protection, as you can see. And this is lightweight. This is a lightweight. This is an all day moisturizer basically. So this is for all skin types, and this is from Color Bar. So this cost me like the MRP is like 399, but I'll mention the price anyways on the screen, like what was the price for me when I bought it on a sale. This is the first time I'm using Color Bar as well, but since it had a so this is like, it's a body milk, obviously it's very normal. So I have used for my skincare this body milk today as well, and it is quite good and moisturizing. So I have done that. So next up, once this is done, next up we have some few products from Zudio. So I visited Zudio like last week as well as yesterday. So I had to buy a certain stuff, and if it fascinates me, I have to buy it no matter whatever. The trendy, if it is aesthetic, if it is Pinteresty, I have to buy it. So yeah, what I bought from Zudio is firstly, last time when we went, I wanted an oversized t-shirt, and it is actually very much in trend right now that at home or during workouts, or even if I'm going on a walk, I really need some comfortable clothing. So I didn't have oversized t-shirts that much. I think I had only one or two, so I wanted to stock up on that, and which is why I wanted like an oversized t-shirt, and this is for just like 199. So this is an oversized t-shirt. I've already like asked my mom to wash it, so which is why this is like this. So yeah, this is what I got. So yeah, I'm obsessed with like blue, black, white recently. So these are my colors recently, even brown. So these are my current color obsessions, and I absolutely love them, which is why I had to buy it in blue color. And I think I'm just going to wear this when I go for a walk in the evening today. So yeah, this is one thing that I got. Then I saw a lot of bellies on Pinterest, which are Korean style. Now if you guys know me, or anyone who knows me knows that I will love anything that is Korean. So I obviously had to get that, and this is definitely going to like elevate my outfits and everything, and it is clearly Pinteresty. So whenever I go on my Pinterest, I have at least one photo, or multiple photos of outfits wearing these bellies. So I'm just going to show you guys right now. And when I found these bellies exactly on Zudio, I had to buy them no matter what. So these are the bellies that I'm talking about, and I'm clearly obsessed right now. I haven't even tried it even once, but I am like planning to wear these with a lot of Pinteresty outfits, and which is why I bought this one. Now yesterday what I bought from Zudio is also so Pinteresty. Now there's a color green trend that is going on currently, like dark green, bottle green kind of a color, and this green is like quite different and quite in trend. So I think I absolutely love these kind of colors, and I wanted to try on because I haven't tried this color in a while, or even before also. This is the first time that I'm trying this color, so obviously I had to buy it. It wasn't in my size, but it fit me perfectly shirt. But yeah, I absolutely loved it, so I had to buy this in green color, and I absolutely loved how this color looks, and I can't wait to actually style this t-shirt. I also bought like this anytime every time I go to Zudio, I have to buy a different deo from there. Last time when I went, during Christmas, I think you might have seen on shorts as well that I've bought a green color, teal green color kind of perfume or deo, you can say. So this time I bought this one from in purple, and I think from that green color, I think this one smells really, really good, and I absolutely love. The last two items that I actually required, which is why I bought them. So one is the nail polish remover, which I actually needed. So since I found that over there, so I had to buy it. So this is one thing that I bought, and the another one is very Pinteresty, and I had to buy it. So it is this one. These are the bow earrings, and once I found it, I had to buy it, and I absolutely loved them. And these cost me only 49 rupees. So obviously now none of these products are like sponsored, but since I loved it, I had to show you guys. Moving on to Meesho. Now Meesho, I've bought a lot of outfits, a lot of clothing, a lot of jewelries, accessories, and home decor stuff and everything. I think Meesho is quite underrated, or even you can say that people have like made it look very, very cheap in a way that you only get cheap items over there. But no, you even get like good items, same quality, because I personally am kind of a shopper who will compare every single thing on all the different websites and then I'll buy certain things. So if you want to like buy anything and you're seeing this video and you want to buy or like any of the items from Meesho that I have bought, then you can definitely rely on me, because I compare it from all the different websites or applications and then I buy it from one place, wherein I see that entire all the different qualities are matching this particular one and I'm getting it for a cheaper price as well. So if you are the one who is looking for such things, then definitely rely on me, because I buy only after I compare it from all the other websites. So I do take time while shopping, but whenever I buy, it's the best. Starting off with the first one. So the first one is basically, I don't have it in my hands right now because I think my mom has put it to a wash, because every time I try any of the like delivered orders, and if I like it, after that I have to first wash it and only then I wear it, because I know that several people might have returned it and all of that. So this is a Korean top that I'm talking about in white. As I said that I am clearly obsessed with white, and I was eyeing on this particular top since quite a while and I wanted to try it out. It's a kind of stiff, but it is cotton. I think with time it will slowly like loosen out a bit, because it is a thick cotton kind of stuff, but I actually like how it really looks, and you can wear it on like black trousers over jeans. The next one is also a Korean top. So this is kind of a Korean fit, and I had seen the same kind of a fit on Pinterest, and I had to buy it and I had to like recreate it, which is why like I was like I had to buy it. And this looks good even on the black trousers, or you can even wear it on like jeans and sort of stuff like that. But it looks really good, and I absolutely love how this looks. So then I had seen a lot of Pinterest and that girl kind of, I kind of watch all of these sort of like videos wherein it is giving like aesthetic Pinterest that girl vibes, and I kind of like to get into that, and I love doing those kind of like routines and all of those stuff. So I had to give this one a try, and I was like eyeing since quite a while, and it was winter as well, so I had to buy these night suits. So this is a satin nightwear which I am currently wearing on a daily basis. If you might have seen my shorts, you might have known that obviously I've started wearing this, but the quality is superb. The material is not very thick and it doesn't make you feel very warm or so it's perfect for even summers if you are using a AC, and if you are in winters, obviously it is the perfect. So it comes like this, and it comes with the long one as well as the short one, but I bought with the shorts one. So this is the shorts one, and I absolutely loved this one. I got it for like a pretty cheap price due to the sale. So yeah, that is there. Then currently there are a lot of trends wherein people are wearing cord sets. So I didn't have one, and I was like, I just started going for walks and everything, and at that time I had to like keep on thinking like what I'll wear while I go on the walks and everything. So I wanted really comfortable outfits. So one that you saw is the loose t-shirts and everything. So one time you can even wear like a cord set as well. So which is why I bought a cord set in brown. As I said that I'm also obsessed with the brown colors, white colors and all of that. So this is the full sleeve cord set, and this is the top, and this is the bottom. So it is very like comfortable, and I clearly wore, like if I wear it on an entire day basis also, it doesn't like make me feel very icky or so, and it's very like comfortable. Okay, so there are only a few items left before we end this video. So now we come up to the jewelry. Now jewelry stuff, I actually love how it has turned out, but now a certain jewelry that I have seen on Meesho is like not anti-tarnish, even if they like claim it to be anti-tarnish. So I sort of don't kind of use it underwater. So you have to really be careful about it, because I have seen like I have ordered these kind of rings Now if you see, the color is fading a bit even after they are claiming it to be anti-tarnish, but it's not. So obviously you have to like keep in mind whenever you are using water while you wearing these jewelries. First is a bracelet. So I wanted these bracelets since quite a while, and which is why I ordered this. So this has a hanging heart on it, and I think it looks really nice if you are wearing a watch and everything. So I absolutely love these kind of stuff. So it is somewhat like this. So this is how it looks, and if you're wearing a watch along with this looks really nice, and I absolutely love how this looks. So this is a heart, and if you are planning to like gift anyone something, you can definitely go for this one. There's also Roman numerals like mentioned all over here, and I absolutely love how it looks. Moving on to earrings. So I am obsessed with chunky earrings nowadays, and when I found these, I was clearly like I wanted to like buy them because in first go only I like them. So these are very trending, but if you are wearing a very simple outfit and you go with these chunky jewelries, this really makes you feel very expensive on the same way. And this is the jewelries that I ordered. So if you see all of these that are the trending pieces, I really love the heart one. If you know me, you know that I am like clearly obsessed with hearts as well. So I had to buy hearts, bows, all the Pinteresty stuff that is currently trending or looks cute. I have to buy them. So this is that these are the earrings. So I absolutely love how these look, and I love the quality as well, but I am not sure if these will be anti-tarnish, so I'm not going to use them in water because I want to save this for a really long time. The neck piece thing, when it came to my mind that yeah, it looks really cute, and also it gives a sign of like being lucky, so obviously I had to buy it. And also the same stuff, I think I see on Pinterest, like the same designs on Pinterest with the bracelets, also on the neck pieces and all of that. So I've seen a lot of Korean YouTubers wear this kind of like neck piece, and I had to buy it. So this is the one neck piece that I bought from Meesho, and it is in white. As I said, I love white, brown, greens, blues currently. So these are my colors, and I had to buy it, and the quality is really good, and it goes well with like anything that you wear. So obviously I'm just going to wear it right now because I haven't worn it since it just got delivered. I haven't worn it since then, so I had to wear it. And this looks so aesthetic and so Pinteresty, goes with any of the outfits. If you can see right now itself, I wasn't wearing anything, but once I wore like this rings and this bracelet, the neck piece, earrings, all of this makes you look so like if you have done a lot of effort, but like no effort. You know that you've not done any effort, you just worn it. And this is like my favorite thing. If you can, I don't know which brand has come up with this ring watch. I think recently I saw a very trending interview of Urvashi Ratela. Even she was flaunting like a ring watch, and I was clearly obsessed. Like everyone is like wearing that, so I wanted to obviously buy one. And everyone had this like in circle or square, or only these two like. So I saw this one in triangle. So this is how it looks, and I absolutely wanted to try it out. Even my mom wanted to buy this one, and which is why I ordered, so both of us can wear it. So I think this is quite trendy piece, and I had to buy it. Lastly, I am moving on to home decor. Home decor in the stuff that I just wanted a very aesthetic looking glass or a sipper kind of a thing, and I have been seeing these on a lot on like Pinterest, and which is why I wanted to buy it. So I used to see this kind of zippers all over my Pinterest, and I had to buy it, and I bought it from Meesho for me and my brother. So there are two pieces of this, and I bought it for very very cheap, I think. And since they have a sale going on, otherwise it costs me like 400, 500 or so. So this is how it is. So I absolutely love how these kind of stuff like make me happy, and I have to buy it. I'm going to buy more of it, but obviously not to like overspend on these kind of stuff. Obviously when I need it, I'll buy them. So yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you guys liked it, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.